Hey guys, it is me, Kirsten, and today I am back with another video. I actually have a package. The tape is actually coming off. I have a package, and I hope this is my squishy package. Can't show you, but I have a package. It's a pretty small box, and I'm actually pretty worried about this. Since it is a pretty small box, I'm actually really worried about this because I actually ordered some squishies, and this is from a seller named Spoof 101, and her name sounds a little bit sketchy. I'm pretty sure she's an Instagram seller, but I couldn't tell you off the top of my head, but she doesn't want me to give her any shout outs. She doesn't want me to show her your accounts or anything. So she just wants me to tell her the name. Tell you guys the name. So her name is Spoof 101. And yeah. But let's just get right on to this. I think there is a tracking code. Yep, a tracking code. And it says it was delivered by 9th of October 5th of last year. It doesn't. It says it was delivered by something. I don't remember. It says something on here, but this is the wrong thing because it is actually it says the wrong thing because the postal service put the wrong, they put the same label that it was supposed to be on, they just printed on the wrong date, because she said that date, and that's when they printed the label off, but she didn't have a lot of supplies that she needed to send it out, because, she said that she had all the things, but she just didn't have enough tape, so she had to get some tape, and yeah, and then she forgot about it, so this says the wrong thing. But yeah, let's just get right into this. So I have my scissors. I honestly don't know if I would need these, but I just do. And this is the, I'm not going to tell you guys. Just cut this piece of tape off. And set that aside, because that piece was driving me crazy, because it wouldn't let me cut it. I'm just trying not to cut anything right now, so yeah, so I'm going really slow. This way so I can cut without showing all my address. And if you guys will watch my lively in a couple hours, I'm doing a lively in a couple hours. And I might be doing a lively in a little bit. I'm not looking. It's covered up by an invoice anyway. She has pretty handwriting too. But this is all the things, yeah. But she said they were in original packaging. Licensed tag, no defects, everything. She said they were super slow rising also. So yeah, let's just get into it. I'm not gonna look. I'm just gonna let y'all have the first peek. And then I just do this so I can't. So nothing will fall out. The other flop. First peek. Okay, so yeah, I hope you didn't see my address. That you didn't see my address. Super nervous, so actually the first thing I see is the first thing that I actually see is the invoice. So let me pull that off. And it says invoice the whole I Bloom Sports Ball Series collection. She has pretty handwriting. That's pretty to me, because my handwriting is so sloppy. She's okay. And the next thing I see is the note. And let me just tell you this. I'm not expecting this to be what I ordered because her name is Sketchy. It's Spoof 101. Spoofs 101. It's either Spoofs or Spoof 101. But yeah, I'm not too good. So it says note. Usually sellers that say no refunds are sketchy too. I don't know. It says note. I hope you like it and remember no refunds. So yeah, no refunds. And I spent like $1,000 on this. Like 5,000. I remember it was like $500 for each ball. I'm like, God, that's a lot of money. Oh yeah, let's just get into it. I'm gonna put it up and I'm just gonna pull it out. Original packaging, eye bloom. Okay, I'm just gonna pull it out. This was supposed to be the eye bloom tennis ball. At least this needs to be licensed by Jaru. At least. Nope. No Jaru licensing this right here. I mean, and it has a huge defect right here from when there was an air bubble. It is semi-sticky. Semi-sticky. I will message her about this. So let's just squish it. Not very slow rising. It's gotta pop up. But listen, do you hear this? Oops. Can you hear that? Do you guys hear that? Eye blooms don't sound like that. But yeah, it's okay. Because I sold all of my actual things, and this looks, I sold all of my actual squishies that were like licensed, and this looks exactly like the one I had. It is the one I had. Yeah, it is the one I had. Because I remember there was a defect somewhere. And there are defects. See, there's an air bubble right here. Yeah. This is the exact same one I had. See? There's an air bubble right there when I pinch it. Do you see how that pops out? Let me find it again. So here we go. So right here and here, do you see this? I'm gonna squish it. And you see how that pops out like that? Oh, that's there. That's not supposed to be there. That's from an air bubble. Now let me squish out this side. Do you see that one right there too? Yeah. Air bubbles. This is the exact same one I had. How did this somehow get to her? I didn't send it to her. No idea. Hopefully it gets better. I should put gloves on so I can feel them. I know they're all going to be balls. This isn't licensed. Nope. And this is the same exact one I had too. I mean, at least it's semi-squishy. See, this is the exact same one I had. Remember, because it wasn't exactly on the lines. And there was this excess piece right here. I remember I sold my 2 brand new crush balls that I just got yesterday. No, that I just got a couple days ago. No, I didn't sell those. I still have them. This one's semi-squishy. I'll let that fly. Basketball. Just because it's semi-squishy, I will let it fly. See right there? Those same defects were on mine from when I squished my nails into it when I first got these. Do you see those defects? Man, let's just keep going. It'll get better. Okay. Alright, I pull out this. It is a baseball. I actually love the baseballs. And this is licensed. It is licensed by Dollars. Let me just so flat down. It is licensed, not an original packaging. Have you noticed that all of these? Oh my gosh, look at that. Have you noticed that all of these have not been on original packaging at all? What? All of these had defects. Look at that. Those are all defects. These are the exact same ones that I sold. Okay. Oh my gosh, do you see this? Do you all see this? Do you all see this? Do you? I see you, baseball. I see you. I will be selling these. I will be selling these so I can buy from an honest seller. I will be selling these again. I don't care if I sell them to the same seller. I don't care. They're probably all going to be the same ones with my luck. I just love squishing this. It is so soft, too. If there's one in here that is softer, I will be impressed. She said there was more than one design of the baseball, so she just sent me all the baseballs. Okay, I don't care. It is licensed. It's got a little bit of that tape on it. I see it. Those are some defects, but I don't care because this is pretty slow racing, pretty squishy. Okay, so you see it now. Looks like a ball. I don't care, I like that one. Not too bad. I don't know how many I have in here. I think I have like 4 left. Alright, so here's another one. It's not licensed. It's got some green dye on it, but I don't care because I like the baseballs anyways. So I can't get too mad about that. And so yeah. This one's kind of dense. But it is pretty squishy and pretty slow rising. Not as slow rising as this one. Let's have a test. This one's more slow rising. They're both buttery. This one's butterier. So yeah, this one's more slow rising, but this one is way softer. If you don't know what buttery means, buttery. If you don't know what that means, it means it's really soft. Alright. Hey, this is a crush ball, licensed by Jara. This is a golf ball. And it says crush ball, crush it, ages 3 and up. And it is in packaging. I'm shocked. She said the packaging did have a little bit of defects. It's opened a little bit somewhere. Oh, right here. It's open. Just I can stick my finger through it, but this feels soft. But yeah, here it is. See that crush ball? It says toss it, stretch it, squeeze it. I'm going to try to stretch it in a minute. Squeeze it, and here it says Jaru, and I don't know if it's licensed on the actual thing. It feels actually pretty soft. I don't know, can't see it. I'm looking. See it? Oh, right there. It's super duper hard to see. Like, super hard. Maybe hard to see in camera, but it is right there. You see that right there? And it's there. I promise. You ready? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, look at that. It is still rising. Still rising. Stretch it. It doesn't stretch. But look at this. It's not stretchy. It scared me. Here's this card. It doesn't stretchy. It says stretch it, I think. Oh my gosh, this is awesome. And now I am going to have all the Jaru collection. Except I won't have the baseball. I mean, not the baseball. I won't have the tennis ball. I just have all the sports collection. This is the one that I needed to finish it. And I also wanted the really, really bad. I wanted the, yeah, hold on. But yeah, here's this. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And let me tell you something. If you didn't understand from the spoof 101, it's a spoof. It's not real. But bye, guys.